Okay, so it's been quite a while since the last update on the train station. I looked through the log and saw that I've had actually 3 long building sessions since the last video update. So it's happened quite a lot since then, since the last update. So I think the final thing I did on the last, the second update, it's about 5 months ago, I think. I added the kind of wall in the first floor all around here. So I think I'm going to just include some time lapses from the building sessions that I've recorded, so you can see what's happened since then. So I found a way to kind of fit the second floor in a nice way. Then I worked a lot with the front here. So you can see there's a kind of 8-sided window here. I might work some more on it to make it even better, but for now this is the best I could do to kind of represent that style of window. There's also some missing parts here that I need to order in sand green. Also up here, yeah, there's multiple places I'm missing some parts that I need to order. Also these black ones here should be light bluish grey. Probably a bit hard to see, but if I go over here you can see that there's some black wedges here that needs replacing. I've also worked a bit on this door and this roof over here, which is a bit different than the rest. I made a little cheat here. I made a little hole in the real building. The window is aligned with the roof, but I didn't actually make it fit right that here. But I think it's okay. I think there should be a tile on those modified bricks with the name of the station, the same as it will be here. So you have a tile that should have a printed sticker on it. Yeah, and yeah, so I'm going to order some parts. I think I will just work a bit more on the last details here before I order them, because there might be other parts I need as well. But what I have left now is that I want to kind of, if you see here, it's kind of dark I guess on the camera, but it's kind of some small holes here and there that I want to kind of fill better, because now you can kind of see into the structure here, stuff like that. Also some kind of stuff I want to make a bit more stable. Like you can see on this roof here is quite loose, but it sits there if you just let it stay. But I want to try at least to make it a bit more stable. The same goes here. It's kind of not the most stable thing, so I'll see if I manage to make it more stable. Here also I have this kind of weird kind of opening that I want to cover it more, so I want to kind of close it in a bit. Same goes for here. Also the kind of the roof line here isn't completely straight, so I'll also here try to see if I manage to kind of improve the stability of the construction itself, so it's sturdier, and by that also aligns better here. I think I'm going to add 1x1 bricks combined maybe with 1x1 plates and put it like this to kind of fill in the top part of the roof here. I'm not quite sure. I might experiment to see if there's another nice way to do it, but for now that's my idea at least. We'll see shortly if that will work. I also need to kind of figure out how to meet up here. See here, if I press it down, it gets almost like a 90 degrees angle, but it's not quite, so I'm not really sure yet on how to solve that. So yeah, there's kind of those kind of small adjustments that I'm going to try to do something about. And after doing kind of these small adjustments, I'm going to try to work more on the surroundings here. So there will of course be more plates around the building, and I'll add some scenery. And here in front, I think there will be kind of one more base plate in front here, with some kind of basic layout stuff in front of the station, some landscaping, and then the double tracked train is going to go here. Behind here, or here actually, it's going to go kind of a old style road, small road, just out here. And then behind here there will be kind of a small kind of hillside, small little mountain, I guess, and some smaller trees and stuff behind there. Back here, around here, there will be kind of a small little shed in the same style as the train station, so with kind of green walls and then a few windows and a door. It sits around here. It's quite small, but in this scale, of course, it's going to be, I guess, something around 16 times 32. Oh, maybe not 32, but maybe like 12 times 20 studs or something around that. But we'll see. Okay, so now I think I will just play back the time lapses, and I'll sit here also now and build a bit more. So after the time lapses I'll come back with an update.